Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Yes, welcome back to our this series of videos in which we are explaining you how YouTube channel runner can, being a creator, can use his Excel expertise to uh, to gauge the performance of his channel, right? So in previous video we showed you uh, how we came to a conclusion that what was the last uh, time what was the time, date on which the maximum views were obtained by your within last 40 hours, 48 hours. Right? So we downloaded it in a Excel sheet and then we wrote a formula, and that told us that it was 29th of November 2023, and it is the sheet, and which makes 887, the total of 887, and this is showing you. Let me show you here. Okay, yeah, 887 is being shown here, and this is 887 is coming in front of the 29th of November, right? And then we took these 2 days and put them into the dashboard and queried that period with what made them, what were the videos involved in that, right? So this is one exercise which we have done. Okay, now let's add a new sheet in this, and we have renamed it. We have renamed the file. Our file name was previously this one, right? And that was the link of this file was provided to you in the description part of the previous video. And now we have just renamed it that YT Studio Dashboard Analytics. Okay. So in this, we are going to write to prepare a model. Let's add a new sheet. That is the this is the top three. Top three uh, days, best days in terms of views, right? Best days, okay? Top three best days. So we will use the same thing here. We will use this heading, right? So we copy it, we paste it here, Control V. Now the top three best days will come. The date will appear here. What were the number of views and watch time and average view, etc., and estimated revenue if it's okay. And this is the point. Okay. So we can remove this for the moment, not to confuse it, right? So day one, day two, day three, when we have the highest number of the ring, right? So how to, using this sheet, what formula can we write here to get all these information automatically? Instead of that, we have to find it manually and make the filter and then find. Why not that as soon as we enter in this sheet, this should give you the top three best days, right? So this is the thing which we are developing. So the first thing is that as soon as we enter into here, right, this is the thing. Okay, so that means we have to go to the view code of this sheet and write here. We will take it a worksheet event and on activate. As soon as this is activated, what should be done? So if there is anything written, it should be removed, right? Okay, so we will say range A2 to A4, for example, yeah, say A10, okay, dot entire row, dot delete. Right. So each time if anything is written here, if there is some data in here, so that are going to be washed. First of all, the first thing we do is that we want everything to be washed up as soon as you click on it. You click on it, you see it is washed, right? That's how. Now, what is the next thing we have to do is we want to uh, means for you to write an logic that how it can identify the highest one, right? Well, so what is the highest one? So first thing it can do is a max function, right? So that's we will write here uh, range B2 dot formula is equal to, and here we are going to write the formula, right? Okay. How would we use that formula? The formula is simple, equal to max, okay? Max of what? Max of this number, right? Max of this number, that's it. Okay, so this is, at least it is going to bring you 887 right away. Okay. So we are going to copy this formula into the code, into the VBA code, which we made here. Control V, that's it. Okay, so each time when you write anything, say, let's remove everything here. Each time you activate this sheet, it is going to get you the topmost uh, views. Okay, topmost views. Okay, so this is going to be now means now let's get the date of this automatically. What is the formula which can bring this views automatically? So that's index and match. Huh? So let's equal to right match what? The local value, that is this. Okay, where to find it? Find it in here. Okay, and has to be exact match. Yes, bracket close. So this is going to bring a number. That's where it is. Okay. So here we are going to get the date by means of index. Index where? Index in here. Right. Okay. With the with this 380, and that's it. So this is going to bring you the date. So 29th November 2023 was the day when you had the best day, the maximum number of the views within the last 48 hours. Okay? So let's copy it and take this formula. Now let's take this formula, copy it, right, and take it to the code. And here in the code, we will write this formula. Okay, what is the formula? The range, sorry, range A2 dot formula dot formula equal to control V. That's it. This is the formula which is going to bring you the date when you had the maximum number of the views, right? So as soon as you activate this sheet, it gets you the top one, right? So if you check it again, if you click on it, it takes you the detail. This is the top one. Okay, so in the next video, we will come up with the second and then the third. And also we will finish the watch time totals and etc. Okay, first of all, our preference is the views, right? Okay, thank you very much for watching.